Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure your travel arrangements with Flight Centre step by step clearly. Visit the Flight Centre website or open the Flight Centre app on your device. Choose your preferred method of booking, either online or through a travel consultant. If booking online, enter your departure city and destination into the search fields. Select your desired travel dates. Indicate whether you are booking a one-way or round-trip flight. Click on the search button to view available flights. Review the flight options presented, paying attention to the times and prices. Use the filtering tools to narrow down your choices based on your preferences. Once you find a suitable flight, click on it for more details. Confirm the flight details, including layovers and total travel time. If everything looks good, click on the Select or Continue button. You will be prompted to enter passenger information. Fill in all required fields, including names, contact details, and any special requests. Proceed to the Payments section. Review the total cost and confirm your payment method. Enter your payment information securely. After payment is processed, you will receive a booking confirmation via email. Make note of your booking reference number for future reference. If you wish to book additional services like accommodation or car rentals, proceed to those sections. Follow similar steps to select and confirm any additional travel arrangements. Remember to review all booking details before finalizing your arrangements. For assistance or any changes needed after booking, contact Flight Centre's customer support. Keep all travel documentation organized and accessible for your trip. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.